Big trucks do big things.
I had my 44s on it yesterday. That's why it was taller in the garage.
Nice.
Huh?
I said nice.
Can't you tell they're my 44s?
I can't see shit on there. 250. Yes. This
I'll bet
fucker
you
is
$100 to
huge.
come back with the broken truck again from mud runs.
Say that again?
Huh?
Say that again?
I'll bet you $100. I'll come back with a blown rear end from the mud runs.
Probably. You do every time.
Yeah. That's why I said I'll bet you $100.
That is
But,
gorgeous.
oh yeah, look at the tight fit.
That is pretty tight. There's not much room to work
Want to hear
with.
it on?
Yes, dude, let's get the video.
I don't know if my dad is. Let me go see if the Mustang is here just in case, you know?
Alright. And here's another big one. On the trailer. It's great. What is this? Oh. Custom Deluxe. Yeah.
Some wigger shot my window out on that side. Some wigger shot the window out.
Yeah, I seen that big old bag hanging out there. Let's get this thing a rockin'. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, you can see the frickin' flames coming out the pipes. It's just from the exhaust. Wet oil
fluid.
Yep, that's all that is. Don't be worried. Nothing bad. I like the ground you put up. It's not much of a ground.
That's a big ass ground.
Well, I mean, saying like it's not usually where they'd be put.
This truck is fucking loud now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think it distorted my mic.
My exhaust is gonna sit.
Ooh, look at those.
Seriously, it's gonna sit right here.
Oh, that is nice.
On each side.
That is nice. I should have came in here and got some flame action, but I didn't.
It was shooting flames.
Yes, it was. I seen it, but the camera didn't catch it. Still haven't gotten the
You
drive
should've seen
shaft
when I had
on.
the exhaust off of it. I was shooting them out this far.
Still haven't gotten the drive shaft on.
Yeah, I got one.
We got the back one on, but not the front.
I need to make a stronger one. I sheared it off yesterday.
Ah.
Come look at the mud I was playing in.
Why don't you ever use that fuel cell?
I broke it.
Oh, what happened?
Watch out.
Ford record. I'm out.